Hi, this is Saket, Technical Lead and Senior Python Mentor at CodeGnan, a trusted name in trainings and placements. Imagine building the next big app like Netflix, Swiggy, Instagram or Flipkart. Sounds exciting, right? In today's world, companies just don't need coders. They need full stack developers. Someone who can design sleek user interfaces and build powerful backend systems. And the best part, in just 100 days, you can master it all. What's trending in full stack development? Do you know AI driven web apps, blockchain based applications, and cloud computing are shaping the future of full stack development? Companies are on the lookout for developers who can build scalable and secure applications. And do you know the best part about this course? This isn't just about learning to code, it's about becoming job ready. At CodeGnan, we combine real-world projects, AI-powered learning, and placement support to make sure you succeed. Why should you choose CodeGnan? The simple answer is hands-on live projects. You'll be working on clone applications, social media applications, and end-to-end e-commerce application where you'll understand how to deploy an application on Amazon Web Services with an integration of payment gateway, industry standard certifications, hired by top companies, 1250 plus companies including Google, Bosch, Nvidia and many more have hired CodeGnan learners. Daily and weekly assessments. Stay ahead with daily topic-wise tests, weekend exams and discussions. AI-powered mock interviews. Practice real-world interview questions and get instant feedback, which happens every week for the student. Job-ready training. Learn technical skills, soft skills, communication, aptitude all in one place. 3 weekly placement drives increase your hiring chances with our exclusive recruitment drives. Now let's see how much full stack developer earns in India. Freshers can earn minimum of 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum, while experienced developers can go up to 30 lakhs per annum. With the demands for full stack developers growing by 35% annually, now this is the best time to learn. Now looking for the best Python full stack course in Hyderabad? Reach us out on the below number and visit our nearest centers in Hyderabad. Walk in today for a free career consultation. Seats are filling up fast. Don't miss out. Thank you for watching. See you in the class.